Very good morning, guys. My name is Vishal Bajaj, and really appreciate everyone to watch this video. This is a product which has been delivered by Amazon within 3 days. So thanks Amazon for giving this product on a very shorter days. So this product is mid-range premium. It costs around 3500, and this is a Oppo Enco Air2 Pro, the TWS buds, and which is a refined in sound quality, and I have a good noise cancellation areas. Let's unbox this product, and then we will able to see what is there in this. Okay, so let me try to unbox it. Nice packing with Amazon. So let's see what is there inside the box. So okay, let us see. So box will come in this way, team. This is the good protection the Amazon is providing, so thanks Amazon again. So if you can see, it is packed in this way. Okay, so when you need to wrap up, you can out. We'll see the invoice. First of invoice is there, so good. Some of the packing. So this is our product. So I'm totally too much excited to see this product. Okay, it stands out in the public. Oppo Enco. If you can see, A2 Pro is there. Oppo logo is there, and it will show you all product and what all it contains, MRP and everything. The code also, the branding of the name Oppo Enco with the product name Air2 Pro, and here it is written. Okay, so let's without wasting more time, let's try to put it. Let's try to open it. Nice packing. Good packing, I would say. So Oppo was known for his music. Then it comes to a mobile industry. So if you can see this, look it around. Nice packing, I would say. Okay. Oppo Enco. Nice color. So there were two colors actually. One is white and one is gray. So the reason for picking this gray color is that it's something different. White we already seen, it's the color of premiumness, but it feels like it could be a more scratch, and the scratches can be visible on a white. So this is the reason I have taken this color of gray. So guys, if you can see this, this is the oval shape, and it says the Oppo written here. Okay, and when you try to open this, you are able to see the TWS earbuds. Okay, so let us put it around in this way and see what all other accessories we are getting here. So if you can see this, some of the accessories are there. Maybe they are giving some, what you can say. Okay, so I think it's a user manual mainly. User manual how to utilize this Oppo Enco Air2 buds, and also it will give you the earbuds, this earbuds pairing like small and medium and large. I think it default it will come with the medium, and Oppo will give the pairs of small and large. And along with that, if you can see, the cable is given. It's a A to C. Okay, the C type charger is given. So I will surely give you more demonstration when I am going to set up this. So it seems to be a nice product, nice to use, and got many reviews about it. So let's try, and I will try to get back to you guys. Till then, thank you and enjoy the weekend. Thank you.